This is what's left of a awning, portable awning I got at Walmart for $42. I'll show you the top that was on here. This is the top of Ozark Trail, ripped up in a 30-mile-an-hour wind because this material is so thin and so cheap. Now, I'm stuck with buying a new one for $42, but then what's going to happen when I have a 30-mile-an-hour wind again and I'm not home to take this tarp off? It's just going to fall apart again. And they don't sell replacement tarps. This is what I am going to do. There is the frame of my shade tent. The cover is torn to pieces. This is what I'm going to replace it with, since there is no replacement for it. If I want this again, I have to buy it all over, $42. And the material for the tenting is very cheap, easy to rip. Now, this is what I have. 10 by 20 foot medium duty tarp. That is going over. Paid $8.23 for this tarp. Hopefully that will give me a new cover and save me money from buying a new awning for $42. That's it. My $8.23 replacement for a top on the shade. It's not tight on top, but it doesn't need to be. It's shade. It can't be tight anyway because it doesn't have the seams for it. But this is 20 foot long. I rolled it up here. So the sun comes in this way. I can roll that down and sit here and just enjoy myself. Put that down, it gives me shade. And then I can roll it right back up. Very good replacement. This is my little extra sunshade on this side in the morning. I've got it tied to the frame with shoelaces. Picked up a bunch of shoelaces. They're cheap.